6 Best Backup Camera for Cars, Wireless. Looking for the best wireless backup camera for cars that's reliable and easy to install? We'll explore the top 6 wireless backup cameras for cars. We compare video quality, night vision performance, signal stability, and installation ease. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best wireless backup camera for cars. Let's get started. 1. AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera with 5-inch 1080p monitor. The AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera is perfect for drivers who don't like messy wires. It uses a solar panel and a strong battery that charges itself every day with sunlight. This means you don't have to plug it in or charge it manually. The 5-inch HD screen shows clear and sharp pictures, both during the day and at night. Night vision helps you see obstacles in the dark so you can park safely without hitting anything. Installation is super easy and takes only about 2 minutes. Even beginners or families can set it up without professional help. Many YouTubers like AUTO-VOX because it is reliable, long-lasting, and easy to use every day. Solar charging reduces maintenance and saves time, making it stress-free for daily use. This backup camera price usually ranges from $120 to $160, making it a good choice for drivers who want safe reversing with minimal effort. Verdict: it's the best backup camera for drivers who want solar power, quick setup, and safe parking every day. 2. BIGJADE Wireless RV Backup Camera with 7-inch HD Monitor. The BIGJADE wireless backup camera is made for RVs, trailers, and long vehicles that need extra safety. It has a big 7-inch HD screen that shows a clear and wide view behind the vehicle, so drivers can see obstacles easily. Dual camera support lets you see 2 angles at the same time, which is very helpful for big RVs or towing trailers. Night vision works even in total darkness, helping you park safely at night. The wireless signal stays strong even on long RVs, and the monitor stays bright and easy to read in sunlight. Installation is simple but has extra features for people who need professional-level use. The BIGJADE backup camera is ideal for long trips, towing trailers, and RV drivers who want safe parking. It gives large screen viewing, dual camera angles, and DVR recording for extra safety. The price usually ranges from $150 to $200, making it a premium choice for RV owners. Verdict: it's the best backup camera for drivers who want full rear and side visibility, safe parking, and long trips without stress.
Number 3. LeeKooLuu 7-inch Wireless Backup Camera for Trucks. The LeeKooLuu wireless backup camera is great for trucks, pickups, and towing vehicles. It has a 7-inch HD screen that shows clear and sharp images for parking and reversing safely. Dual channel support lets you add another camera later, giving extra views for trailers or large cargo. Customizable grid lines help drivers park and reverse more accurately, and night vision shows obstacles in dark areas. The camera is waterproof and dustproof with an IP69K rating, so it works in rain, mud, or rough roads. LeeKooLuu is popular because it gives reliable performance, adjustable parking guides, and night vision. Price usually ranges from $130 to $180, making it a good option for people who need trucks or towing safety. It's perfect for drivers who want a strong wireless connection, clear reversing images, and safe towing support. Verdict: best camera for truck owners who need reliable, clear, and easy-to-use backup assistance. Number 4. AMTIFO Wireless RV Backup Dual Camera System. The AMTIFO Wireless RV Backup Camera System is perfect for RV owners and long-distance travelers. It comes with 2 full HD cameras and a 7-inch monitor that shows rear and side views at the same time. This helps drivers see obstacles better and reduces blind spots when parking or driving in tight spaces. Night vision works well in dark areas, so parking at night is safer. The system works with Furrion pre-wired RVs, making installation faster. Wireless signals are strong, even for long RVs, and the monitor adjusts brightness in sunlight. Installation is easy for new RV owners, and split-screen viewing makes reversing and parking safer. Price usually ranges from $180 to $240, reflecting premium quality and professional features. AMTIFO is ideal for travelers who need dual cameras, split-screen monitoring, and full visibility. Verdict: a perfect camera for RV users who want advanced safety, professional monitoring, and reliable night vision.
Number 5. Foxpark Solar Wireless Backup Camera with 5-inch Monitor. The Foxpark Wireless Backup Camera is made for drivers who want simplicity and solar power. Installation is very fast and takes only 3 minutes without drilling or wiring. Solar charging keeps the battery powered every day, so you don't need to charge it manually. The 5-inch HD monitor shows clear pictures, and night vision works automatically in dark areas. Wireless signals stay strong, giving consistent performance for daily driving. It works well for cars, vans, and small RVs, making it versatile for city drivers or families. Foxpark combines ease of use, solar charging, and reliable reversing safety. Price usually ranges from $100 to $140, making it a good mid-range option for safe and easy parking. It is popular with drivers who want fast installation, solar-powered safety, and clear HD reversing images. Verdict: best for drivers who want quick setup, solar-powered safety, and clear HD reversing images.
6. Befumly H21 Wireless Backup Camera. The Befumly H21 Wireless Backup Camera is perfect for people on a budget who still want safety. It has a 5-inch HD screen that shows clear pictures while reversing, helping beginners park safely. Dual camera support allows you to add another camera later, giving extra views. Customizable parking lines help you reverse more accurately, and night vision works in low-light areas. The camera is waterproof and dustproof with an IP69K rating, so it can handle rain, mud, or dusty roads. This camera is perfect for city drivers, families, or anyone who wants simple safety features. Price usually ranges from $90 to $130, making it a very affordable option. Befumly H21 provides clear visuals, night vision, and a stable wireless connection without extra cost. It's ideal for drivers who want simple, reliable, and affordable backup safety. Verdict: best for buyers who want easy, safe, and budget-friendly reversing help. Which is the best wireless backup camera for cars that you should buy? The AUTO-VOX solar wireless camera is best for daily car drivers who want a 2-minute solar setup. The BIGJADE wireless RV camera is best for professional truckers who need a DVR to record their trips. The LeeKooLuu 7-inch backup camera is best for pickup truck owners who need adjustable grid lines for parking. The AMTIFO wireless system is the best backup camera for travelers with Furrion pre-wired RVs and very long trailers. The Foxpark Solar Wireless is the best camera for SUV owners who want a tiny screen and eco-friendly power. The Befumly H21 Wireless is the best camera for new drivers who need a simple and very affordable camera.